Calculating the functional titer of your lentiviral particles can be a confusing task. In this quick tip, we will show you an easy way to keep your numbers straight. Once you have counted the number of positive colonies in your transduced well, multiply this number by the dilution factor for the well. For example, if 55 colonies were counted in the well with a dilution factor of 625, you would multiply 55 times 625 to get a titer of 3.43 times 10 to the fourth transducing units per microliter. To get to transducing units per milliliter, multiply by your conversion factor. For example, if 25 microliters was added, multiply by 40, convert the volume used in the titration, 25 microliters, to 1 milliliter. Next, consider the multiplicity of infection, or MOI, you need for your experiment. The probability that a cell will be transduced and undergo one or more integration events depends on the MOI. MOI is the ratio of the number of viral particles per cell. An MOI of 5 means that you will add 5 viral particles for each cell in the well. Using the calculated titer, the volume of virus to add to your cells can be determined by taking the desired MOI multiplied by the number of cells in your well, then divided by the viral titer. For instance, in our viral titer from the previous example with an MOI of 50 and 10,000 cells per well, the volume of virus added per well would be 3.6 microliters. We hope that this has been helpful. For further information, please visit our website.